All right, this is Anthony Thornton. I'm out here in my new listing, 1409 Oakland Avenue. This house is a totally new rehab. Everything is brand new on the inside. I also have an appraisal on this property. Getting ready to get here. I got an appraisal. It just came in at $310,000. $310,000. It's going to be attached to the listing. And as you see here, if you buy this house, I'll buy yours. I'll give it to you all in writing. All we have to do is come to terms on price, terms, and time frame. So hey, this area right here is very up and coming. It's right across the street over here from the Oakland MARTA station, as you see. So if you're looking for something near the Beltline, right near MARTA, right close to downtown, and all the parks and stuff right in the area, this house is going to be able to buy this house at $35,000 under market value. So I'm going to take you on the inside, and we'll be able to take you on the inside. Come on in. Come on. All right, so we got this beautiful Tiffany colored door here, and come on in. As you see, we got this brand new, completely rehabbed living room, kitchen. Everything's an open concept here. We got where you can just sit right up to the bar in the kitchen. We got this office right here. If you're a type of person who works from home, or if you're looking for some, evening work, or if you want to put a fitness center right here, you can definitely do that. We got the gas stove. Everything's this is a smart house, so everything's on your iPad or iPhone. You can operate this whole entire house that way. Turn on a couple lights for you. Here's one of the bedrooms. So it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. So if you have guests over and you just want to beat the Atlanta traffic in the afternoon, look at this bathroom. I mean, it's all the way to the ceiling, The best of the best tile that you can buy. This is fantastic. Everything's first class work. Here's the other bedroom here. Here's the other bedroom right here. So if you have a guest or you have a family member, everything's on one level. They don't have to climb any stairs. And then now we'll go over to the master. Here's a nice dining room. Look at this architecture. You can't find this anyplace. This is super expensive, but you're gonna get this house at $35,000 under market value. Remember, just call me, 678-314-7764. Anthony Thornton, you can give me a call. So here's the master. We're gonna speed it up a little bit so we can finish here. My battery's about to die on my phone. So here's the master, it's huge. You can put a California King inside of here. It can fit as many people as you can skillfully handle right in this bedroom. And remember, we got this appraisal, $310,000, recently done. Only listing this house for $275,000. The seller will pay all of your closing costs. Check this bathroom out, it's amazing. You got a huge, I'm 6'2", and you can see how wide this is. This is a super wide bathroom. They got glass here, floor to ceiling tile. Everything is custom made. Every single piece was specifically designed just for this one house. You got the double sinks over here. We're not gonna get the mirror shot. Definitely not doing that one. And then, of course, you got your own walk-in closet. So here's your walk-in closet. It's really fancy schmancy. Got a chandelier up top there. You can fit all your shoes and stuff in here. You might want to call California Closets to max it out. But if you're the type of person, you want to live close to downtown, you don't want to deal with traffic, you ride MARTA or you'd like to ride MARTA, this is the house for you, for sure, no doubt about it. If you like a huge master, I gotta take you outside really quick. You see the kitchen and everything. We're just gonna go outside. You'll see here. We got the deck that totally wraps around the whole house. It wraps around the whole entire house. And as you look over here, look at this huge lot. Imagine what you could do out here. You could put volleyball. You could put another garage here. You could put fire pits. This place could be unbelievable. You could put a swimming pool out here. We're gonna stay over here just so you can see it. And then, so we're just gonna go back in the inside. So remember, if you're interested, you should give me a call, 678-314-7764. Buy this home, and I will buy your home. No other real estate agent can make you that offer. We'll just have to come to terms, price, and conditions. And if we do, I'll just write you a check for it. So hey, if you're interested, you should call me. This home is not on the market anywhere. I'm gonna put it on the market in about 7 days. I'm already getting calls on it. 678-314-7764. Remember, your home sold guaranteed, or I will buy your home. Give me a call. Have a good day.